Right. Okay, guys. Good evening and welcome back. Hope you guys can hear me properly. I'm audible to you. Yes, right. Okay, others. Only few people with the videos. What happened to others? Others. On the videos. Are you fast? Listen. Sorry. Sorry. Sastrika. Tisari. Shayara. Sorry. Annular. Amod. People. They are right. Okay, a few things to highlight. As I informed you, tomorrow there will be a seminar, right? So, seminar means what my plan. I told you in the paper class as well. Tomorrow, I just want to finish the petty cash book simply. Today, I'm going to start it. Easy, clear, you guys, right? So, then next Thursday, we can start the ninth lesson, bank account and the bank reconciliation. All clear, you guys, right? Okay. So because of that, I have already said there will be a free seminar. Free seminar means even your friends also can join. You can share the link with them, and you can share the cash book and petty cash book, our normal tutorial, because there is no any other tutorial. Same tutorial මේකම තමයි fill කරගන්න. තේරෙනවද ළමයි? Can you hear me? Right? In this tutorial, the same thing I'm going to fill it out. So tomorrow is a holiday schools, but some classes are functioning. In here also you are having classes. So because of that, I'm going to finish it before 4, right? So around like 3:45. So 1 to 3:45, 4 around that. Got it? Understand? Right? So then we today I'm going to finish the cash book with discounts. Then this will be discussed tomorrow, right? So make sure to join tomorrow 1 p.m. Easily to send me a thumbs up. So then next Thursday I'm starting the bank account lesson. Already the ninth lesson tutorial is also available in the LMS. Ninth lesson එක tutorial LMS එකේ තියෙනවා. Bank account and the reconciliation. Oh, thumbs up. ඉදිද නෑනේ. අන්න බලන්න thumbs up. Right? ලියන්න බෑ. Right? ඉතල පොලේ ගහන්න. Right? Okay. Hope you can hear me. Right. කොල්ලා නළුවා වගේ ඉන්න ලස්සනද නේද? ෆොටෝ එක ෂෙයා කරන්න පොඩ්ඩක් බඩ වැඩි දැන්. ඒ දවස්වල පොඩ්ඩක් බඩ වැඩි දැන්. Right? Okay. So share this with your friends, right? So even they can cover. I don't want to share with your friends. I can මට මේ අලුත් අය ගෙන්න ගන්නවා විතරක් නෙමෙයි. මට ඕනේ මේන්ලි ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ lesson එක ඉවර කරන්න මේ. තේරෙනවද නේද? Understand, right? So that's why I thought of, since it's a holiday, share it with friends as well, right? It's, okay. That is how it goes, right? Then that's it. Okay. So in our tutorial, I think we finished up to the previous one, which means like I have done the textbook till this one. This one means we finished up to example page number 97. Am I clear to you guys? Right? So today we need to start from here. We need to start from example page number 99. Textbook එක ගන්න ටක් ගාලා පටල ගන්න. Example page number 99. So example page number 99. Right? So turn to page. In tutorial also I kept space for the babala ledger accounts ටික දාලා ලස්සනට තියෙනවා ආයේ බබා වගේ තියෙනවා right? Tutorial page number 16. මම කොච්චර හොඳයිද කියලා ඕගොල්ලෝ ගැන හිතලා ලෙජර් කවුන්ට්ස් ගහලා දීලා. ලෙජර් කවුන්ට්ස් ගන්න දුන්නොත් තමයි ඉරක් මේම ගාලා මෙහෙම ගාලා අඩි රූල තියන්න යනවා පැයක් විතර. රූල උඩින්. ඒ රූල ගහන්න යනවා තව පැය භාගයක්. කළා හරියද? right? Okay. Right. And I turn on the videos and where I can't repeat. Right? Let's see the question, right? So, right. Let's see the question in here. Right. So, let's see the matter in here. Just wait. Right. Right. So, Hiruni's business has the following balances as at 1st March 2025. Let's take this year 2025. These are the opening balances. Easily you understand, right? Okay, opening balances. Capital 100,000. There are two creditors. Creditors are who? Creditors are our assets or liabilities. Creditors are our liabilities. Just remember, right? Creditor කියන්නේ කවුද ළමයි? අපිට stocks credit basis දුන්නා. තේරුණා? So because of that creditors are our කවුද? දිනු? Creditors are our
Creditors are liabilities.
ආගෙන නෙමෙයි ඉන්නේ වෙන වැඩ කරන්න බෑ. මට තේරෙනවා දැන් ඔළුවේ එකක් තියෙනවා. කට අරගෙන ආගාලා බලාගෙන ඉන්නේ. ඩිස්ප්ලේ එක දිහා. වෙන වෙනේව ඔබනවත් දන්නේ නැහැ. ඇස් වලින් කියන්න පුළුවන්. මට පුළුවන් මම කියවනේ මට පුළුවන් මූණ බලලා ශාස්ත්‍ර කීමේ හැකියාවක් තියෙනවා මට. ඒ කියන්න පුළුවන් ආයි මම බබානේ ඔය වීඩියෝ ඔෆ් කරන් ඉන්නයි මොනාරි තව වැඩ කරනවා. වැඩක් නැහැදි කොච්චර කිව්වත් වීඩියෝ ඔන් කරන් ඉන්න කියන්නේ ඒක. right? ඊට පස්සේ ඔය මේ අනම්මනම් වීඩියෝ ඔන් කරන් ඉන්නාගෙත් කියන්න පුළුවන් ඇස් බලාගෙන ඉද්දි මේ ඇස් යනවා නම් ඒ කියන්නේ ආයි වැඩ කරනවා. don't do other things අපරාධ මේ පැය දෙක හරියට ඉන්නවත් ඊට පැය දෙකෙන් පස්සේ ඕන මගුලක් කරන මං හිතත් පැය දෙකෙන් පස්සේ ඕන ඔළුවෙන් හරි හිටගෙන ඉන්න මට ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවා right ඕන මගුලක් කරගන්න මේ till 6 just don't do other things and pay attention යාළුවා මැසේජ් එකක් දාන්න නම් දැන් අපිට කියන්නේ අයියෝ රිප්ලයි එකක් දාන්න ඕන රිප්ලයි එකක් දාන්න ඕනේ හායි කියන්නේ කෑවද බබා කියලා අහන්න ඕනේ ඒව අහන්න එපා 6න් පස්සේ එනද 6 වෙනකම් පොඩ්ඩක් ඉන්න උන් බෝන මගුලක් කරගෙන මට වැඩක් නැහැ කනවා නම් කාපන් නැත්තම් නිකන් ඉඳපන් කියලා නිකන් පාඩුයි after 6 බැරි නම් මැසේජ් එකක් දාලා ඕන මගුලක් කියන්න තේරුණාද till that just wait don't do other things concentration is the important part හිතන්න දැන් මෙහෙම එක වෙලාවේ වැඩ ගොඩාක් කරද්දි ඔයා හිතනවා නම් ඒක හින ලේසි වැඩක් කියලා ඒක ලේසි නෑ ඒක අමාරුයි මේ වෙලාවේ වැඩ ගොඩක් කරනවා කියන්නේ සමහරු හිතනවා නේ all round කියන එකම වෙලාවේ වැඩ ගොඩක් කරනවා කියලා but as for me right එකම වෙලාවේ වැඩ ගොඩක් කරනවා කියන්නේ හරි අමාරුයි right ඒකට හේතුව මේ දැන් මේ එකම වෙලාවේ වැඩ ගොඩක් කරද්දි ඔයාලට එක වැඩකටවත් හරි කන්සන්ට්‍රේෂන් එකක් නැහැ එක්කෝ මීටින් එකෙන් ලීව් වෙලා ගිහිල්ලා ගේම් එකක් ගහලා chat කරලා හරි මොනවා හරි කරලා පස්සේ රෙකෝඩින් එක බලන්න. ඔයාලට දැන් ඉන්නම බැරි නම් නිකන් ආයෙ නිකන් නලියනවා වගේ නම් ඒක නිකන් හරි අමාරුයි වගේ නම් මොනවා හරි වෙන මගුලක් කරන්න හිතෙනවා නම් ඒක කරලා ඉවරලා පස්සේ ක්ලාස් එකේ රෙකෝඩින් එක බලන්න. මං කිනේ දෙන්නවද නම්? ඇයිනවද? right? දැම්ම ඒක හදා ගන්න. ගොඩක් අයගේ නැති එකක් තමයි මේ අර ඉන්න ගමන් ඔන්ලයින් මොනවා හරි ඔබලා ඉන්නෙම නෑනේ ඒක විදිහට. මොනවා හරි මගුලක් ඔබන්නමයි හිතෙන්නේ. මටත් ඒක ඉස්සර තිබ්බා. දැන් ඊට පස්සේ මම මේක හිතලා හදාගත්තා. මම එහෙම කරන්නේ කමන්නේ. මම මෙතන දැන් පැය දෙකකින් මම වෙන වැඩක් කරොත් මට ආයෙ තව පැය දෙකක් රෙකෝඩින් එක බලන්න. මං කීක දෙන්නවද? right? සමහරට ඉස්සර මම මට මතකයි මම ඔය කාලේ ඔයගලයන් කාලේ සමහර මගේ ඔය යාළුවෙක් හිටියා මේ ඌ පැය ගණන් කෝල් ගන්නවා පුදුම වදයක්. ඉස්කෝලේම කොල්ලෙක් කියන්නේ ඔය මොනාරි ගේම් එකක් ගැන කියයි යනම්මනම් කියයි පස්සේ මම කියන්නේ මේ ඔය ඉස්සර නම් අපි ඔන්ලයින් ගියේ නෑ ඔය කැම්පස් කාලෙත් ඕවා තිබ්බ ඔය මොන හරි වැඩවලට අනම්මනම් වලට කතා කරලා ක්ලාස් එක වෙලාවේ මම වෙන මොකුත් කරන්නේ නෑ ඒ විලේ අහගෙන ඉන්නවා then after that I do anything whatever you ඔයගලන්ට වඩා හොඳට මම ගේම් ගහලා දෙනවා. මම පොඩ්ඩි ඉඳන් ගහලා තියෙනවා. අපි ඔයගලන්ට වඩා හොඳට ගේම් ගහලා තියෙනවා. හරිද? right? අපි යුනිවර්සිටි කාලේ ඕම නෙමෙයි ගේම් ගෙව්වේ. මං කරපුවා ඔයගොල්ලෝ දන්නේ නැහැ. හරිද? අපි ඔයගලන්ට වඩා බාහිර වැඩ ඕන තරම් කරලා තියෙනවා. right? ඒතර මොනවාද අර ඔයගොල්ලෝ නිහදාන අර බිලට් පූල්ස් අදකට කියන්නේ පූල් ටික මේකෙන් ගහන්නේ දැකලා තියෙනවද? අර බෝලට ගහන ටේබල් එක. පූල් ගහන ඉස්සර ඒවා ගහනවා දෙල්ලන්. හැබැයි අපි පාඩම් කරන වෙලාවේ හරියට කරනවා. ඉස්සර මට මතකයි අපි එළවල කාලේ ක්ලාස් එකක් ඉවරලා දුවගෙන යනවා මේ සසිප්පේ ක්ලාස් එකදී. ක්ලාස් එක ඉවරනකම් බලාගෙන ඉන්න ඉවර වෙච්ච ගමන් දුවනවා. හැබැයි ක්ලාස් එක වෙලාවේ හරියට අහගෙන ඉන්නවා. එතනකම් ක්ලාස් එක ඇතුළේ ඒව ගැන කතා කරන්නේ නැහැ. ක්ලාස් එක වෙලාවේ ඉගෙන ගන්න ඉවර වෙච්ච ගමන් ගිහලා පූල් පාරේ ඊට පස්සේ ගේම් දෙකක් විතර ගහලා තමයි ගෙදර එන්නේ. මං කිරික දෙන්නවද නෝ? රයිට්. ඉතින් අපි ක්ලාස් එක වෙලාවේ කියන්නේ උඹයි මා එක ටීම් එකේ උඹගේ ටීම් එකේ එහෙම කියලා අපි කතා කරන්නේ නැහැ. right? ඒකලේ හරියට වැඩේ කරගන්න. So after that you do everything. You can do whatever you want. That is the main thing what I want to tell. Concentration is the important part. මොකද ඔයා මෙතන වෙන දේවල් කරනවා කියන්නෙම හරි අමාරු වැඩක්. හොඳට attention එක දෙන්න. ඔයගොල්ලන්ට ගොඩක් නැති දෙයක් තමයි එක දෙයක්. මොකද ඒකට හේතුව මේ ළඟදී ඔය මේ දැන් මගේ විභාගය කළා යන අය ඉන්නවා. සමහර අය කියන ඔගොල්ලෝ මේ ක්ලාස් එක වෙලා වෙන වැඩ කළා ඔළුවේ දාගෙන හැබැයි සමහර ඉන්නවා මීටර තියෙන. හැබැයි ඕගොල්ලෝ එහෙම වුණාට පස්සේ ප්‍රශ්නේ තියෙන්නේ ඕගොල්ලෝ කවදා හරි ජොබ් එකකට ගියා කියලා හිතන්න. මං කිය දෙන්න ජොබ් එකට ගියාට පස්සේ ඔයාලට සැලරි දෙන්නේ වැඩ කරා. ජොබ් එකට ගියාට පස්සේ ජොබ් එකේ ඉන්න වෙලාවෙත් දැන් අර හැමතිස්සෙම ඔයාලට ඔළුවේ එක තැනක තියාගෙන ඉඳලා පුරුදු නැහැ. ජොබ් එක වෙලාවෙත් වැඩ කරද්දී වෙන ඒ දවස්වල කල්පනා කරපුවා වගේ මොන හරි වෙන දෙයක්ම කල්පනා කරනවා. right? right? ඔයාලට වෙන වෙන දේවලුත් කල්පනා කරනවා. ඊට පස්සේ කරපු වැඩේ වැරදි ඊට පස්සේ salary reductions යනවා ජොබ් එකෙන් අයින් කරනවා performance මදි understand can you hear me guys right ඉතින් ඔය IT ජොබ් එකක් නම් කරන්නේ වෙන 100කින් ඉඳලා software එකක් හදනවා software එකේ output එක එහෙම්ම පිටින්ම වැරදි තේරෙනවද right අයි පුරුදු වෙන්නේ පන්ති වලත් ඉද්දි වෙන එකෙක්ට chat කරනවා මේක අහන් ඉන්නවා මගෙන් අහන් ඉන්නවා චුට්ටක් ඊට පස්සේ වෙන වැඩක් කරනවා තේරෙනවද right නිසා මේ ඔය එක සර මට මතක ඉස්සර අපේ ආච්චිලත් කියනවා මොකද එක බණකුත් තිබ්බලු ඔය මේ ඔයාලා හරියට නිකන් අර මේ වගේ එතකොට දැන් හිතන්න ඔය කවුරු හරි බණක් අහන්න ගියාට පස්සේ ආම්දුරෝ කියන තැන් වල ඉන්නේ එහෙන්නේ මං කියන තේරෙනවද ඊට පස්සේ මොන හරි ඔය එක කෙනෙක් බණ අහන වෙලාවේ එයාට එක එක තැන් වලින් තමයි ඇහෙන්නේ ටිකක් අහන් ඉන්නේ ඊට පස්සේ නිදා ගන්න. ඡායි එද්දි මැද ටික නෑ ආම්දුරෝගේ ඒ ටිකේ එහෙන්නේ. සමහරු ඉතින් මොකද කරන්නේ අර හාමුදුරුවන්ගේ බණේ තැන් තැන් වල සමහරලාට කියනවා එක තැනක බුදුහාමුදුරුවෝ ගැන කතා කරනවා ඊට පස්සේ නැගිටිද්දී බුදුහාමුදුරුවෝ තායි නිදාගෙන නැගිටිද්දී චිකන් ගැන කතා කරනවා ඔන්න ඒක එයා හිතන්නේ බුදුහාමුදුරුවෝ චිකන් කෑව කියලා තමයි එතන හිතන්නේ මං කියන එක තේරෙනවද රයිට් ඉතින් තව ටිකක් මොනවා හරි කියලා ඌර ගැන කතා මොනවා හරි ඒ සම්බන්ධය තමයි එතන කියන්නේ අර කෑලි තමයි you picking part understand can you hear me guys right ඒක නිසා අර පාට් නැතුව ෆුලියම ඔක්කොම එකපාර ගන්න. තේරුණාද? ඉතින් ඊට පස්සේ මේ නැතුව අර තැන් තැන් වලින් ඇහිලා ගත්තාම හරි අමාරුයි. right? Okay, after 6 do whatever you want, right? Yeah, I don't care. So till that just pay attention to here. Right? Okay, okay, let's see. Tomorrow there's a class 1 to 4. Right? Okay. Hiruni's business had the following balances. You can see capital balance. Creditors කියන්නේ කවුද ළමයි? Creditors are liabilities. Creditor කියන්නේ කවුද? ගිය මාසේ before March the 1st of March they have sent their goods on credit basis to us. That's why they are a liability, right? Cash balance means this 80,000 is the 28th of February cash balance, right? February මාසේ අන්තිම අතේ තිබ්බ සල්ලි තමයි March 1st කියන්නේ තේරෙනවද? right? Debtors means debtors are the assets. Debtors are the one who sold their goods. The debtors are the one who took our goods on credit basis, which means we sell goods on credit basis before March month. That's why it's an opening balance. ඒගොල්ලෝ තාම සල්ලි දීලා නැහැ. දෙනකන් අපි බලාගෙන ඉන්නවා. got it? right? Okay. Then following transactions were took place during the month of March. So what are the requirement? Cash book and the ledger accounts. Okay. So in here I have given you a cash book. You can see cash book. Date, there is a matter, right? So please draw the LF column. Sorry, receipt number column, right? Receipt number, draw receipt number. In date column, right? 2025, right? And also in this date column also draw voucher number, right? Date column, right? 2025. Description LF. The best word is not the discounts given in here. Discount allowed, right? In amount column, in top right, RS, those things are available in, right? හදාගන්න වෙන වැඩ කරන්න එපා කර කිව්වා ආගෙන ඉන්න ලියන්න ඕනේ ඔය chat වීඩියෝ on කරන්න බැරිය රීසන් එක දාන්න chat එකට right then go to the ledger heading, right? 2025, right? All others are here, right? Okay, let's start. Let's do. Okay, now just see when you are doing, opening asset balance should be equal with equity plus liability. Every time opening balances should satisfy the accounting equation. You can see capital is the equity 100,000. I'll just see. No need to write. What on textbook ke mitna daga. These are liabilities, right? These two are liabilities. How much? 40,000, right? 40,000. Textbook ki ko onna aine daga. In here, assets also 140,000, which means what? This side also the total is 140,000. Which means what I want to tell you, opening debit should be equal with credit, right? Asset, in debit we can identify assets, credit, liability, and equity, right? So assets are 140,000, liability and equity also 140,000, which means opening debit and credits are tallying. Easy, clear, you guys understand? Opening balances should be tallied. If not, our trial balance will not tally, right? So you can see opening there, right? Now let's record the transactions, right? Okay. So capital 100,000. Okay, open a ledger account in the ledger capital account. Capital account. Capital account is which kind of an account? It is an equity kind of account. Now in equity principle, I told you, lie, increase credit, decrease debit, right? So write the opening balances. 1st of March, balance brought forward. How much? 100,000. 100,000. All good, right? Then in the ledger, open other accounts as well. Two creditors account, creditor Suranga, creditor Taranga. Open two accounts. Creditor Suranga and creditor Taranga, right? Suranga and Taranga, those are liabilities. So every liability account, increase credit, decrease debit. Ikman every liability account, decrease debit, right? So you know creditor Suranga 25, Taranga 15. Creditor Suranga 25, Taranga 15,000. 1st of March, balance brought forward. 1st of March, balance brought forward. Right. Next one, let's see. Cash 80,000, right? So in the cash book, write the balance 1st of March 80,000. 1st of March, balance brought forward. Right. Debtor Malka Imalka open two accounts. You know, cash book is an asset account, write it as well. Just remember every time, you know, BBF comes from the increase side, right? Right. එන්න වැඩ කරන්න එපානේ අහන් ඉන්න අපරාධ ටයිම් එක. කොච්චර කිව්වත් අහන්නේ නැහැ මට මූණ වලින් කියන්න පුළුවන් නම් ඕඩෙන් නෙමෙයි. Right. So there are two things, debtor Malka Imalka. මම මේ 1900 බර ගණන් වල ඉපදි debtor Imalka. Right. Debtor Malka and Imalka assets. Increase debit, decrease credit. 1st of March, balance brought forward. Debtor Malka 40,000, Imalka 20,000. right? Right. Next one. Okay. The following transaction took place during the month of March. Let's see. Let's write. March 2nd, receive from Malka 8,000. Okay. Go to the cash book debit side. Right. 2nd of March. 2nd of March. Receive cash from whom? Malka, right? Cash දෙනවා නම් අනිවාර්යෙන් මෙයා අපේ debtor කෙනෙක්. Never creditors are giving cash to us. Debtors are paying cash to us. Understand? Right? So debtor Malka paid 8,000. You know cash book debit, right? The receipt number 65, 8,000. 65 from debtor Malka. 65. Right? Debtor Malka account credit 2nd of March. Cash 65. 65.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, is it 65,000 or 8,000?
Sorry, it's 8,000. It's 8,000, right? 8,000. Right? Cash. It's 8,000, right? Yeah, this should be 8,000. 8,000. Change it as 8,000. Sorry, my mistake. Okay? 8,000, not 65. Okay, guys? Is it clear? You send me a thumbs up. Right? Right? Make sure to write. Don't do other things. Next one. Brought goods for cash 35,000, right? Brought goods for cash 35,000 means we are paying cash. Right? 5th of March. Right? So 40,000. No purchase account. 40,000. Cash book credit. Purchase account debit. So to open a new account called purchase account. Open a new account called purchase account. Purchase account is an expense type of account. Increase debit, decrease credit, right? So purchase goods 35, right? 5th of March. Cash 35,000. 35,000. 35,000, right? I wrote it as 40,000 again. The amount is wrong. It should be 35,000. 35,000. Right. Next one. Let's go fast now. Okay, then. Dragon. වෙනවට කරන්න බෑ. Right. ඔබාන ළමයි කෝ display එකට එන්න ඉන්න සමහරව ඉන්නව නේද? Right. So send me a thumbs up. දැන් අපි exam එකේ ඉන්නවා කියලා හිතාගෙන ටක් ගාලා යන්න වැඩේ. Okay. Let's go faster. Then flash වගේ යන්න ඕනේ. Right. Okay. Let's go. Let's see. Now paid. Okay, faster. දැන් උදේට වෙන attention බෑ මෙතන. 3rd of 8th of March, paid Suranga 6,000. Okay, go to the cash book quickly. Go to the cash book credit side, 8th of March. To whom? 41 Suranga, creditor Suranga. Faster. Hurriedly, equally creditor Suranga. Right? How much we paid? To creditor Suranga we paid 6,000 because when we are paying, that person should be a creditor. Okay, we credited here. Debit the creditor Suranga's account. Creditor Suranga's account. 8th of March as cash. You know, it's rupees 6,000. 6,000. 6,000. Creditor gave 5% discount to Imalka to settle the amount due 12,000. Just see Imalka. Who is Imalka? Imalka should be our debtor. Then Imalka paying to us. Okay, quickly go and see. Right. In the workings, go and write. Right. So in the working, go and write debtor Imalka. Debtor Imalka. Faster. Debtor Imalka. Right. So debtor Imalka settled 12,000 worth of debtor balance subject to 5% discount. Let's see, minus discount 5%, 12,000 into 5%, which means 600, which means cash received to us how much? 11,400. Is it clear, you guys? Right? We receive 11,400. Debtor Imalka 12,000, discount 600, cash received 11,400. Okay. So quickly go to the cash book debit side. Cash book debit side, right? So payment by debtor Imalka, right? So debtor, debtor Imalka, the Malka, the cow. So debtor Imalka, right? Yes, debtor Imalka. So go and write debtor Imalka, 10th of March, 10th of March, faster, 66, debtor Imalka, right? Allow discount 600, right? Allow discount 600. So paid, receive 11,400, 11,400. You know, discounts columns are not performed in dual function. We write the discounts at last. Till that, go and record in the debtor Imalka's account, 10th of March, credit, 10th of March as cash, you know, it's 11,400. Debtor Imalka, 11,400. Right. 8% discount received when settling the creditor Taranga 10,000. See, Taranga is a creditor, right? 10,000. So go and write creditor taranga 12,000, sorry, balance is 10,000. Discount, you know the discount received goes how much? 8%, right? 8%. Discount 10,000 into 8%, which means 800, right? So it's 9,200. Am I correct? Yeah, sorry. Yes. Is it correct, guys? Hello, can you hear me? Right? Hope it's clear, right? Okay, 9,200. Okay. We pay 9,200 and receive discount, cash paid, write it as cash paid. Okay. We pay it to creditor Taranga. So the date is, you know, the date is 12th of March. Exam එක ඉන්නවා කියලා හිතාගෙන යන්න ටක් ගන්න 12th of March 42 to creditor Taranga. Taranga. Right? So we paid, you know, 9,200. 9,200. Received discount is 800, right? Received discount is 800. At the same time, debit the creditor Taranga's account 9,200, right? 12th of March. Cash 9,200. Hold on, right? අනේ වෙන වැඩ කරන්න එපා ළමයි. තරාගෙන ඉන්න. ඉතර කරත් ලැප් එකේ zoom එකට එහා වෙන දෙයක් ඔබන්න එපා. මට පේන ඇස් වලින්. Right? So, Radhe. Right? Okay, that is the important part. Look here, send me a thumbs up. Right. So, put a word line, right? Okay. So, now you can see in here, it says, check received from sales. That is the important part. What is a check? Check is a piece of paper, correct? Right? Now, when it comes to check, you need to know, right? This is a business, right? Okay. Now you know our business maintain a bank account is in a bank. You know, to open to receive a checkbook, we need to have a current account. So when someone gave a check, right, at the same time, the same date, right, same day, we can deposit it to the bank. Is it clear? Understand? If someone gave a check, we can keep 2-3 days. Day 1. අපිට හම්බෙච්ච දවසේම දානවා වෙනුවට අපිට මෙහෙම කරන්න. චෙක් එක අද හම්බ වෙනවා, right? අද හම්බෙන්න. හම්බෙලා දවස් 5කට විතර පස්සේ හෙට වුණත් හරි ගිහිල්ලා දෙන්නත් පුළුවන් බැංකුවට තේරෙනවද? There is no requirement to deposit the check at the same time we receive. We can deposit the check to the bank at the same time of the receiving. Got it, guys? Can you hear me? Oh, right? We can deposit the check to the bank another date. Receiving today, understand? Right? Depositing another date. Right? If we deposit another date, till we deposit it, where we keep the check, we keep in the check, we keep the check in the bank, sorry, in the cash drawer. බැංකුවට දාන ගමන් අපි business එකේ කොහෙද තියාගන්නේ? In the cash drawer. Understand? Can you hear me, guys? Right? check එක හම්බෙන්නේ අද දවස් 5කට පස්සේ නම් දෙන්නේ අපි දාන ගමන් කොහෙද තියන්නේ? cash drawer එකේ. Cash drawer represent the cash. Got it? Because of that, in here, just only receive the check. There's no information about the depositing part. If so, If it is only receiving a check, what we need to do? We need to record in the debit side of the cash book, right? You know, to represent the cash drawer, there is something called cash book. But to represent the bank account, there is another thing called bank account. Another primitive. Next week we are starting. The හම්බෙච්ච දවසේම බැංකුවේ දානවා නම් කෙලින්ම අපිට cash book එකේ debit පැත්ත ලියන්න පුළුවන්. මොකද cash draw එකේ තියෙන්නේ එදාම ගිහිල්ලා දාන්න. පස්සේ නම් දාන්නේ first we debit the cash book when we are receiving. Once we depositing we credit the cash book. ඒ හම්බෙද්දි cash book debit කරනවා check එක. check එක බැංකුවේ දාද්දි cash book credit කරලා bank account debit කරනවා. Understand? Right? ඇයි අපි cash book එකේ temporary දාන්නේ අපිට අමතක වෙන එක නැති කරන්න. Right? ඔබ නැත්තම් check එක වෙන වෙන තැන්වල එහිමේ දාලා check එක හොයා ගන්න බෑ. Clear to you guys? Understand? Send me a thumbs up. Hope you got the clear thing, right? Okay. Now what we need to do? Receive a check from sale 16,000. There is no any information about the depositing part. But you need to be careful. 15th of March. 15th of March. 67, right? 67. Sales. But within bracket, write it as checks. check එක නිසා පස්සේ deposit කරන්න ඕන නිසා අපි cash book එකේ debit ලිව්වට within bracket we write it as check. Right? Then we can easily find 16,000. 16,000. That's why when we are receiving a check also we are issuing a receipt. Right? So at the same time open another ledger account called sales account. Open another account called sales account. It is an income type of account. Increase credit, decrease debit. The date is 15th of March. Sales 16,000. Clear? Cash book debit, sales account credit. In here in the sales account, no need to write as check, right? Just only in the cash book mention as checks. That's enough. Next one. Receive cash from Malka 6,650 and discount allowed is 350. Right. So receive cash from Malka. So the date is, you can see, 18th of March. 18th of March 68. Data Malka. Right? 350, 6,650. 350, 6,650. Now discounts we record later. Till that we credit the data Malka. 18th of March. Cash. So you know it's 6,650. Right? 6,600. Okay, next one. You need to be careful. When amount owed to Suranga 8,000 was settled, a discount 400 was received from him. Just remember, we haven't paid. No, we didn't pay this. We didn't pay the 8,000. We paid only amount after deducting 400 from this 8,000. Why? When the amount owed to Suranga 8,000 was settled, right? When the amount owed to Suranga 8,000 was settled, right? The discount 400 was received, which means We paid after deducting 400 from this 8,000. Easy, clear, you say. Now, at till that, we just deduct only if there was a percentage. But in here, see the English, right? When the amount of the Suranga 8,000 was settled, the discount 400 was received. The of the amount is 8,000, which means we paid 7,600, right? 20th of March. 20th of March, 43. Paid to who? Suranga. You know, write it as creditor Suranga. 400 received. So 7,600 was settled. 7,600 was right. So 20th of March, creditor Suranga 7,600. Cash. Okay. Right. Next one. Check cash and check was received from a sale with 6,000 and 7,000 respectively. We receive both cash and checks. You need to mention both, right? Can you hear me, guys? Right? So 24th of March, 24th of March, 69, right? 69. You need to separate the light sales. One is checks. Because of that, I told you since we need to deposit the check later, for that check receive right within brackets as check. We receive 7,000 check, the second one, cash 16,000. So write 16,000 cash, 7,000 checks. Because this check we need to deposit, we need to credit the cash book and we need to debit the bank later. So go to the sales account. To open a new account called sales, there's sales account. 24th of March, 24th of March, cash, cash. No, this both are 16,000 and 7,000. 16,000 and 7,000. Next one. Iruni bought an additional capital 20,000 now. Owner invested additional capital. You know, no need to open an additional capital. There's a capital account. 29th of March, 70. Capital account. How much? 20,000, right? 20,000. Credit to the capital account. 29th of March, cash, 20,000. All done. Before that, you know, you need to balance the cash book. බලන්න කෑෂ් බුක් එකේ මොනවා හරි මිස් වෙලා දිනනවා නම් මෙතනම හදාගෙන ටක් ගාලා මොනවා හරි ලියලා නැත්තම් එන්න වැඩ කරන්න එපා. hope all done. දිනු කිවරද? right නේද? In here how much? 950. You know, since this is just a memorandum column, you need to write a board double entry. Open a discount allowed account in the ledger. Discount allowed. Discount allowed is an expense account. cash book එකේ තියෙන්නේ debit side එකේ, මෙතන ඉන්නේ debit side එකේ, right? You can see discount allowed how much? Rupees 950, right? 950. Discount allowed account debit 950. You are writing month end date 31st of March, right? Month end date. (31st of March). Write it as debtors 950. 950. Right? Credit to the relevant debtors account. Debtor Imalka, debtor Malka. 950, 950. Debtor Imalka 600. Credit to the debtor Imalka account 600. Malka account 350. Right? So debtor Imalka, you know the date is 10th. Malka 18th. Right? In here we are writing on the transaction date 18th of March, 10th of March. Write it as discount allowed. Discount allowed. Make sure to write, don't do other things. Rather time එක 6න් පස්සේ කරන දෙයක් කරගන්න. Right. So let's balance the discount received. Discount received is 1200. Open another account, discount received account. Discount received account credit, it's an income account. Account credit, it is an income account. Right? Debtors account debit. Sorry, discount received account credit. Month ended 31st of March. Right? 1200. 1200 as creditors. Relevant creditor accounts debit. You know we debit. Two debtor accounts are there. So creditor accounts are there. Creditor Taranga, creditor Suranga. 800, 400. Taranga 800. Suranga 400. Taranga 800. Suranga 400. Twelfth of March, 20th of March. Here I discount receipt. In here also Balance the other things. Hurry up. Fast. Now it's your time. Hurry up. Faster. Balance and tell me the totals. I want the answers. Balance and other things. Tell me the totals. Right. Okay. Hold on. Now cash book you can balance, right? Cash book things details are available in here. Cash book debit side total 155 and 50. 155 0 50. 155 0 50. Get the credit side total and deduct. Then the BCDs you can see 97,250. 31st of March 97,250. Balance carried down. 1st of April balance brought forward 97,250. Right? So there is a trial balance as well. Go to the trial balance fast. Correct it as 2025. Write it as cash book 97,250. Balance the other accounts as well. ඉක්මනට balance කළාම එක එක්කෙනා නම් කරලා අහනවා වෙන වෙන. මට කියන්න ඕන. මම එක එක්කෙනාගෙන් වෙන වෙනම අහනවා. Right? Okay, now let's see. In here 120,000. 120,000. 31st of March balance carried down 120,000. 1st of April balance brought forward 120,000. So capital 120,000. Next one. Creditor Suranga, right? In here 25,000. 25,000. This side, I think it's 14,000. Am I correct? The total is 14,000. Once you deduct 25,000 from 14,000, how much?
9,000.
Sorry? 19,000, right? Correct? 25 minus 14 means 19. 5 minus 4 means 1. Sorry. That, sorry, here 11,000 is
11,000.
huh? 11. 25 minus 14. 5 minus 4 means 1. Then 2 minus 1 means 1, right? Correct? දැන් නැද්ද පොඩ්ඩක් ඩාම් වෙනවලු උඹට උදේ ඉඳන් ගණන් හදන්නේ තාම දැන් මොලේට පිස්සු වැටලා ඉන්නේ. 9 ඉඳන් මේ ගණන් හදන්නේ. A level class එක කරා 2025 A level revision class. Right? That's right. So 31st of March, balance carried down. 1st of April, balance brought forward. 11,000. You can write creditor Suranga 11,000. Right. 15,000. 15,000 minus 10,000 means 5,000. 31st of March, balance carried down. 1st of April, balance brought forward 5,000. So creditor Taranga 5,000. Next one. Data මාල්කා මේ හදන ගමන් බලන්න වගේ තියලා ලියලා දිනේවත් හරිද කියලා. Check whether your answers are correct. Debit side 40,000. In here, is it 15,000? Hello, right? The total 15,000. 25,000, right? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, thank you. 31st of March, balance carried down. 1st of April, balance brought forward 25,000. Next one. Data Malka 25,000. Data Imalka 20,000. 20,000 minus 8,000. How much? It's 6,000, right? Sorry. In here, this is 12,000, which means 8,000. 31st of March, balance carried down. Data Imalka 8,000. $35,000. 31st of March, balance carried down 35,000. 1st of April, Balance brought forward 35,000. Purchase account debit side 35. Right? Then in the sales account, you can see 23,000. Sorry, 39,000. Thirty-first of March, balance carried down 39. 1st of April, balance brought forward. His sales account credit 39. Discount allow 950. Discount received 1,200. Thirty-first of March, balance carried down 1,200. Discount received credit 1,002. Once you balance, can you tell me the total? How much the both sides are tally? Anyone? Balancing amount? 11,000? No. 60,000. No, there's a 1,200 as well. So there should be a. How much the balancing amount? 316,850. Oh, no, there is no any 15 here at the end. Antimate 850, antimate 50 එකක් නෑ නේ මේ credit side. 63,200. No, it should be more than that because in here also මෙතනම තියෙනවා 100. It's not balancing. No, impossible. Let me see. I balance this one last week. 97,250, 120, 11,500, 25, 8, 35. Sales account balance, there is a matter. Sales account, just go and see. Sales account 16, 24th one. මෙතන මේ ගානේ අවුලක් තියෙනවා. 16 and 7. 24th, 16 and 7, 15, 16, 16, 16, 7, right? sales. cash book එකේ තමයි වැරද්ද තියෙන්නේ නේද? cash book එකේද වැරද්ද තියෙන්නේ? Oh, I think there's a cash matter with the cash book. You can see in here they have concerned the sales as 6,000. Can you hear me, guys? I'm audible. In here they have written the cash book as 6,000. Sorry, සමා වෙන්න. මම ඉතින් මේකේ තිබ්බ balance එක මගත් දන්නේ නැහැ. දාම් වෙනවා ඩූම් වෙනවා හිටපු ගා. මට කියන්න බලන්න මේ අරගෙන කියන්න බලන්න cash book total එක how much the cash book total, can anyone tell? I got the textbook one. I think the textbook answer is wrong. Just balance the cash book total and tell me the total amount and the BCD amount faster. Cash book total and the cash book total. Hundred and 050, right? The total. Yes. I got another answer and 175 350. Better if you can send the answers as everyone. මට private දාන්න නැතුව everyone දාන්න නැත්නම් මට එක්කිනාගේ chat වෙන වෙනම open කරන්න ගියාම හරි අමාරුයි. everyone දාන answer එකක් please. දැන් මට අර එක්කිනාගේ answers compare කරන්න අමාරුයි. Send the answers to everyone hurry up. Cash book total how much? $165,050. Right. Okay. 165,050. 165,050. Now tell me the BCD value. 165,050. BCD value how much? $107,250. Four different answers. I got 107,250. All right, 107,250 is 107,250. Right. So write it as 107,250. Now check whether it's balancing or not. 107,250. Now tell me the balancing amount. Send it as everyone. 276,200. Others? The total? $176,200. I got one answer, 176,200. Two answers confirmed. $200. 176,200. 176,200. Right, it's balancing. Right? Okay. So this will be, I discussed this one in the paper class, am I correct? This Tuesday we discussed this one, right? Okay. Rest of the things let's discuss, right? Okay, in the writing book, write the new heading as petty cash book. Write the new heading as petty cash book. In a new page, petty cash book. Hurry up. Petty cash book. Petty cash book. This will be continued tomorrow, but I'm going to give you the basics today. Right? Okay. Now you know. Right. If we concern this as the business, business payment side, we categorize into two. There's something called petty cash level. Look here, I don't do other things. Petty cash level, it's not in the syllabus. In the syllabus, make a harima lesi harira තේරුම් ගත්තොත් හොඳට අහන්න. In the syllabus, you can see petty cash level, right? Above petty cash level, I told you we pay cash and checks. Below petty cash level, there are petty cash payments. Now you know in the business, we have two boxes, right? Which means a big one is the petty cash book, right? The small one is the petty cash book, right? Now you know I told you, if we receive at least 1 rupee, all the cash receipt recorded in the cash book, right? All the cash received or check received to the business, we recorded in the cash books. රුපියලක් හම්බුණත් අපි දාන්නේ cash book එකේ, right? හම්බෙන පැත්ත categorize කරන්නේ cash receipt. Now try to practice this one, right? It's like this. Now think there are two purses, right? Big small one and the big one. Understand? Can you hear me, guys? Right? දැන් ඔයාට හිතන්න ඔයාට පුළුවන් මේකම concept එක apply කරන්න. ඔයා ළඟ තියෙන purse දෙකක් තියාගන්න. ඔයාට දැන් හිතන්න අම්ම සාමාන්‍යයෙන් දෙන සල්ලි ඔක්කොම ඔයා ලොකු මේකට දාගන්න. ඒකෙන් ඔයා පොඩි box purse එකක් තියාගන්න. අර ඒකට දාන්න ඔය චූටි payments කරන්න ඒකේ සල්ලි තියාගෙන ඒකෙන් කරන reload එකක් දාන්න බස් වලට. මේ main එකෙන් තමයි ඔයා cash මේ fees එහෙම ගෙවන්නේ. That is a cash payment. ඒ වගේ payments ඔයා ගෙවන්නේ මේකෙන් ලොකු payments. Can you hear me, guys? Right? Understand? Right? මෙන්න මේ වගේ ලොකු payments like above petty cash level. Now there are businesses, they are having a petty cash level. They decide all the below 45,000. It depends on the business scale. Sometimes 2,000, 5,000, 10,000. Its level, think our petty cash level is 2,000. All the below petty cash level payments are done to the petty cash book. We call as petty cash payments. Think like till 100, 200, 500, 1,000, right? 1,900, 1,990, all things are done through here. Below, above this one, 2,100, 2,500, 1 lakh, 8 lakhs, all the below above petty cash level payments are done through either cash or checks. All the above petty cash level payments are done through cash book, and the check payments in the bank account, it's a separate thing. Now, to handle the petty cash book, there is someone called petty cashier. There is another person to handle the petty cash book. We call that person as petty cashier. Just remember, petty cashier, sorry, this is the main cashier. To handle the cash book, there is someone called main cashier. To handle the petty cash book, there is someone called petty cashier. Petty cashier works under main cashier? Be the boss. Can you hear me, guys? Send me thumbs, right? Be the boss. Petty cashier works under the main cashier. Thumbs up ඕනේ. හරියක්. වෙන වැඩ කරන්න බෑ. හොඳ රාග. Send me thumbs up. Petty cashier works under main cashier. Just remember, petty cashier, main cashier gives petty cashier. We call it as petty cash impress. Then හම්බෙන සල්ලි ඔක්කොම දාන්නේ cash box එකට, cash book එකට. So petty cash කියන්නේ small value payments, right? මේ පොඩි payments. මේ small payments මෙන්න මේ වගේ ඒවා. To do all the small payments, main cashier gives petty cash impressed to the petty cashier. Petty cash impress is another thing, petty cash leveling another thing. Then below to do the below 2000 payments, main cashier need to give cash to the petty cashier. ඉතින් 2000 දීලා මදිනේ ළමයි අඩුම, like think, let's say it depends on the scale. Petty cashier give 1 lakh to main cashier, give 1 lakh to the petty cashier. ඇයි? දැන් 5000 හතරක්ම sorry 1000 ඒවා 10ක් වුණොත් එතරම් 10000 ඉවරයි. Understand? Can you hear me, guys? Right? So because of that, think in this business, it depends. In now, when I was working as a petty cashier, I work as a petty cashier in a business. I got 250,000 as the petty cash impressed. Easy clear to you guys? Send me a thumbs. I got 250,000. Our petty cash level was 45,000. Below 45 payments are all the things done through petty cash. Understand? Right? I did like 30,000 payments, 45,000 payments, sorry, 40,000 payments, 1,000 payments, 500, 200, sometimes 10 rupee worth of payments as well, right? Small value payments are done through this petty cash book. Why there's the petty cash book? It is to control the petty cash. ඇයි petty cash එක control කරන්නේ? මොකද මිනිස්සු හරි කැමති පොඩි සල්ලි වලින් හොරකම් කරන්න. මං කියලා තියෙන්නේ. ඇඟට දැනෙන්නේ නැහැ නේද? ඒකයි ඔය petty cash කියලා වෙන එක්කෙනෙක් කරන් තියෙන්නේ. දැන් ඔයා දන්නවද දැන් මන් දන්නේ යාළුවෙක් එයා කියනවා ඉස්සර මට සල්ලි එයාත් petty cash කෙනෙක් විදිහට වැඩ කරා. මං සැලරි හම්බ වෙනකම් petty cash box එකෙන් සල්ලි අරගෙන ඉන්නවා මං සැලරි හම්බ වුණාට පස්සේ ඒකට දානවා. කරන්න බෑ පහ. තේරෙනවද? උදේක බිස්නස් එකේ සල්ලි. right? දැන් හිතන්න මාව අපේ ඉස්සර ඇවිල්ලා හැමතිස්සෙම check කරනවා. Now think I got 250,000 as the petty cash impressed. Now main cashier like twice a month comes and check my petty cash box. කොහොමද check කරන්නේ? දැන් මම පොඩි petty cash payments කරා නම් ඒවයි bill මල් ළඟ තියෙනවා. Understand? Bill along with the petty cash payment voucher. You know, the source document is petty cash payment voucher. Source document is petty cash payment voucher. මම මොන හරි petty cash payment එකක් කරොත් ඒක voucher එකේ attach කරලා bill එකත් එක්ක තියාගන්න. Think I made like 1900 worth of petty cash payment. Along with the bill, I need to attach the petty cash payment voucher. Got it? Right? Then I need to keep it with me. Now think I got 100,000. I made 70,000 worth of petty cash payments. All the bills and the payment vouchers are with me. Petty cash payment vouchers. I'm a voucher එකක් යටතේම bill attach කරලා තියෙනවා. petty main cash ඇවිල්ලා මාව check කරද්දි මගේ අතේ තියෙන්න ඕනේ කීයද? 30,000. Understand? Got it? If not, he concerned as a fraud. Why? එහෙනම් ඒ 30,000 මම මගේ personal use එකට අරන් ගිහින්. That's why the balance was with me. And also there's another thing called reimbursement of petty cash pay impress. What is it called? Reimbursement. Once the petty cash impress finishing, I am going to reimburse it. I මෙයාගෙන් සල්ලි ඉල්ල ගන්න. ඉල්ල ගන්නේ කොහොමද? Think I had 100,000. I spent 70,000 worth of petty cash payments. Now, how much again I uh, collect from the main cashier? 100,000? No. I collect only 70,000. Why? There was a 30,000 balance with me. Understand? Right? Petty cash impress reimburse only up to the expense amount. Equal expense amount. Okay, I'll tell it to you. Quickly write it and raise your hands. This one. Quickly write this part and raise your hands. Write it and raise your hands. කම්මැලිකම ඉන්න බෑ ගැම්මෙන් ඉන්න ඕනේ. Once you done, raise your hands.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay. Once you done, raise your hands. All done. Right. Right. Okay. Now going to give you a brief thing. Rest of the things will be discussed next week, right? Which means tomorrow, the extra class. Right. Now think, okay, see the main cashier. Look here, right? Right? Gave 100,000 worth of money to the petty cashier. Petty cashier. What is the term called this one, guys? What is the name we call for this? Petty cash. What is this? Petty cash. Impress. What is the name? Impress. Petty cash impress. The amount given to the petty cashier by main cashier. What is the name we call this? Impress. Right? So think this is on 1st of October 2025. During the, sorry, 1st of August. During the August month, petty cashier made petty cash payments during 1st of August 2025 to 31st of August 2025. Think the total was rupees 70,000. Now, when I'm discussing this kind of a question, I draw a timeline. Make a timeline එක නැතුව කරන්න හරි අමාරුයි. ඇයි කියලා ඔයාලට හෙට තේරෙයි. First I draw a timeline. Then I'll write the month. This is 2025 August month. This is the 1st of August. And this is the month beginning date, end date, beginning and end. I'm not going to write the dates, right? Just remember, no, first of, okay, so initially I write impressed on top. Normally I write impressed on top. Right. So, you know, 1st of August, how much got? 100,000. Right. Then during this month, petty cashier made 70,000 worth of payments, understand? Right. Then I'm asking how much is the reimbursement as at 1st of September. 1st of August received this much. During the August month, made this month. How much is the reimbursement on September 1st? You can see in here, right? You can see in here, there's a balance of 30,000. Why? There's a balance of 30,000. If so, you know, in the August month also, main petty cashier need to have the impress 100,000. How much the impress? 100,000. So because of that, the amount equal to the expense reimbursed by the main cashier to petty cashier. How much is the amount reimbursed? 70,000. Understand? අතර දෙන්නේ කීයද එතකොට? එක්ස්පෙන්ස් කරපු ගානම තමයි දෙන්නේ. තේරුණා නම් දාන්න බලන්න තමයි. ඇයි ඒ? 30,000 අතේ ඉතුරු වෙනවා. 100,000 මුලින්ම දුන්නා. 70,000 spent. So 30,000 is the remaining. So because of that, again on 1st of October, sorry, September, main cashier reimbursed to the petty cashier how much? The same amount, the rupees 70,000, right? So you can see this is the reimbursement. Is the reimbursement on 1st of October, so September 2025. You know, reimbursement equal amount spent. Hence, write it and raise your hands. Write it and raise your hands. Low all your raise hands. සින්දුවක් කියන්න කැමති කෙනෙක් raise hand එක ගන්න. Right? ගගන සින්දුවක් කියමු. ගගන ගියා. Write it and raise your hand. Once you done, raise two hands. Hurry up. All done. Done. Others. Yadev, Gagan, Sashrika. Done, right? Okay. Rest of the things will be discussed tomorrow, right? Tomorrow, I think 1 p.m. Right? So make sure to have the petty cash book with you. Petty cash book means the tutorial, right? And the this one with you. So then let's discuss everything. So tomorrow my plan is to finish everything. Then the next Wednesday, Thursday, I'm starting bank account. Is it clear to you guys? Next Thursday, I'm starting bank account. Okay. Thank you for the participation. Let's meet tomorrow 1 p.m. Good night. God bless. Bye.
Thank you, sir. God bless
I
you.
want, sir.
Bye.